Welcome aboard the Stunning Sun Princess. Today we're giving you an exclusive look at one of the ship's balcony cabin, your private retreats at sea. When you arrive, you will see the closet on your right hand side. Also come with some robe and slipper for you to use while on board the ship. This well-designed stateroom offers a comfortable queen bed or twin configuration. There's plenty of storage space and a modern bathroom as well. But all these essential, but the real highlight, your very own private balcony. The perfect place to sip your morning coffee or watch the sunset over the ocean. The cabin also features a flat screen TV, a mini fridge, a cozy sitting area, and USB charging port to keep your device powered. Whether you are relaxing after a short excursion or enjoying room service with a view, this cabin offers the perfect balance of comfort and style. Stay tuned as we explore more of what the Sun Princess has to offer.